Hey everyone, welcome to Titan Spark Kaggle AI project cohort video. In this project, we have created an AI-driven learning assistant called SynaptiQ. Okay, it is designed to help you plan and build a study plan for any topic in AI and data science. This tool leverages a set of intelligent agents that works together to generate a study plan, gather resources, create flashcards, starter code, and even experiment designs. Let's dive in and see how it works. In sense, the goal of Snap IQ is to break down a topic you are interested in into manageable study component and then generate useful resources like learning plans, flashcards, and starter codes. We have designed it with a modular agent-based approach where different agents handle different tasks. Let us walk you through how these agents interact with each other. Let us quickly show how the input you need to run this system. As you can see in the main demo, here we have a topic name variable where we define our input. It is called plain disease detection with computer vision. As we pass it a topic, and this will create a proper outline of this as that we will see after running it. Okay, first we visit what are the agents we use here. Then we will come to the output. Let us quickly walk through all agents. Research agent. It finds top learning resources from web and doing several researches. Then it is curriculum agent. It create an adaptive curriculum plan like study plan, or you can say for professional it can be their working plans. Another is generation generator agent. It produces starter code, slides and architecture, how to do, what the features, what the work we have to do, and these kind of thing. Experiment agent. It design experiment for evaluating your models based on some scores. Flashcard agent. It creates flashcard for memory retention. It creates some cards which retain your memory in context. We can say it as a context. Critic agent. Critic agent review and all whatever we generate output and suggest improvement. So it will help us to improve. Now we will run the code and let's see what will happen. Our code run is complete. Let's walk you through output. Like it's starting. Okay, as we give it output for what is the input of us. As the input plant disease detection with computer vision, that was our topic, and it generated plan outline. It generated 4 week plan. First week foundation, second week core algorithm, third week we have to focus on project building, and fourth week evaluation and deployment. Okay, top resources, computer design. There are some article like example, and sample paper and tutorial repos. And the core feature is it can export, you can export your output to everything into output folder, including what plan we make, starter code, architecture, documentation, JSON file, and summary report with plans. Everything you can everything you can export in output file. And let's end with this. So the system we design provide feedback on all generated output, including data side, suggestion, and experiment improvement. In the critic, like we can see it, improvement suggested what we can improve to improve our service. Alright, that's a wrap. Synaptic IQ automate the heavy lifting in planning and building your AI project. Try the code yourself and explore the generated output. Do not forget to. Okay.